How to delete all channels or messages at once in Telegram. So, first things first, go to your Telegram app and then on the search bar, search for Del All Bot. Once you find it, tap on it, and then what you have to do is hit the start button. Now the bot has been activated. Next, go to the channel where you want to delete messages. Tap on the channel name and then select administrators. Now tap on add admin and search for the Del All bot and then add it. Once you have added it, what you have to do is toggle on the add new admins option, tap on done, and now go back to your chat again and then type in @Del All bot and then send it. Now after a while, the bot will start deleting the messages for you, and that's it. Thanks for watching.